In this video, we will show you how to import data in SPSS by two ways: copying and pasting data, and directly importing data files of other software. In practice, the easiest way to get data into Stata is often overlooked. You can copy data from most applications as Excel, that understand the concept of a table, and then paste the data into the data editor window. This approach works for all spreadsheet applications, many database applications, some word processing applications, and even some web pages. Just copy the full range of data, paste it into the data editor window, and everything will probably work well. Suppose that your friend has a small Excel dataset about some very old cars, and you would like to put these data into SPSS. Doing so is easier than you think as following. Firstly, copy the above data. Now, open the data editor window. Then, select Edit, and click Paste. You can see that SPSS has imported the data nicely. Copying and pasting is a great way to bring data into SPSS, but if you need a clear audit trail for your data, you will need another way to bring data into SPSS. SPSS has some more specialized methods for reading data, that were created by other applications and stored in their proprietary formats. We will show you how to import data files of other software in SPSS. To do this, select File, then click Import Data, continue to click on File Format of other software such as Excel, Stata, etc. For example, we import here an Excel file. Depending to your Excel data having or not the first row as variable name, you should check or not the box, Read variable names from first row data. If you have text file, you can also import it in SPSS by using the same process. Just choose Text Data option, then select the delimiters that appear between variables. Be careful when you copy and import data, because the original data can contain special formatting, that ruins its rectangular form. Be sure that your initial database does not contain blank rows, blank columns, repeated headers, or merged cells because these can cause trouble. As long as your spreadsheet looks like a table, you will be fine. We finish here the video. Thanks very much for your attention. See you soon in the next videos.